Okay, so Pat, we were talking earlier on about what you've got from the Pesso and kind of how that's sort of a bit different from some of the other therapies that you've experienced. Perhaps you can just say a little bit about that.
Yes, I mean, for me, it's been a wonderful experience because over time I've obviously done a number of therapies. Nothing has been as touching and as moving and as exciting as Pesso. It's been really good. I think it's kind of putting another piece in the jigsaw, but in a very different way, reaching the parts that perhaps other therapies wouldn't reach.
So what is it that, it's hard to define, but what is it that you think makes it different? As opposed to some of the talking therapies?
Partly, I think, the approach, which is, again, without going into great detail, is very different. It's the group setting, the feeling of safety, and of course yourself being the tutor or the leader of the group. Yeah.
Thank you. And so, despite the fact that you're having to kind of talk about deep and personal things in front of a group, you feel safe?
Yes, and I think normally I wouldn't have felt as safe in other groups. I've been in many groups, and the very first time I came to a Pesso, which was quite a long time ago, I immediately felt that I was in that group and there was a safety, which was established very quickly.
Okay. Something
about the sharing and everyone being in the same place together.
And you've done other therapies?
Yes, many.
Okay.
I didn't know whether do you want me to say what they are? Or
something about what you've tasted, just so we kind of have the comparison.
I've tasted a lot of group work. I've done a lot of training as a counsellor myself.
So you're a qualified counsellor?
Okay. Inner child work, which has been a very, very rewarding therapy, but this somehow tops the lot.
Okay.